All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today.
Welcome.
And buckle up, because this one's a plot twist in itself. Today, we've got a rare sight in court, a father putting himself on child support. Yep, you heard that right. Not dodging, not denying, but stepping up. But it's not all gold stars and good intentions. This case dives into drama, deadbeat accusations, and a mother who couldn't even be bothered to show up. Mr. Daniels claims he tried to marry the mother of his child, but instead of walking down the aisle, she chose the streets. That's not just personal, that's explosive. And while he plays third string in the Arena Football League, he's trying to play first string in his son's life, if the court will let him. But is he a dedicated dad or a slick talker trying to soften a legal blow? Stick around, we've got cold facts, awkward flirtation, and a judge who is not here for the nonsense.
And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in, and well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Hey, do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, you're third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the Arena Football League that I play in, so.
Let's pause here for a second. Because not showing up for court when someone is trying to take legal responsibility for their child, that speaks volumes. Whether you're the custodial parent or not, ignoring a court summons never looks good. And in family court, it's often seen as a lack of interest or accountability, so already, the scales are tipping. What would you think if the roles were reversed? Would a no-show dad get the same benefit of the doubt?
I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So, it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the.
Now here's where things get. The dilemma, tricky Mr. Daniels wants to provide, but on a budget to his in the Arena Football League, third string, and not pulling in NFL level money. It's a real world dilemma. How do you support your child when your own finances are hanging by a thread? The court doesn't care if you're catching touchdowns or catching bills. Child support is calculated on what you do earn, so while his heart might be in the right place, the court only cares about the math.
I mean, she's not here, obviously, to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance. Okay. So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28. For a child support amount of $871.46. Okay? You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
And, honesty boom, here's a moment of honesty that might have cost him. When Judge B notices he underestimated his own health insurance by $10, it may seem minor, but this shows how precise the court gets when calculating support. Every number, every credit, and every deduction counts. It's a reminder. In court, small missteps can lead to big consequences. Luckily for him, this one worked in his favor. But not every mistake does.
Well, no.
Okay,
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother. I was.
So you want to make me a baby mama?
Oh no, he didn't. Did Mr. Daniels just try to shoot his shot with the judge? This right here is the courtroom equivalent of texting your ex during a job interview. Wrong time, wrong place, and absolutely not the vibe. It's bold. It's awkward, and Judge Vonda isn't even blinking. She handles it with a savage clapback. I'm available for my next case. Let that be a lesson. Flotation has no place in family court.
Telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
And that's a wrap on Conclusion Support Court with Judge Von. But the story here leaves a lot to unpack. A father who steps up when the mother's emir, a support amount calculated to the decimal, and a rare move that could inspire other parents, filing to put yourself on child support to stay ahead of the system and avoid back pay disasters. Judge Vonda drives it home with one simple truth. Being proactive beats being punished later. So what do you think? Was Mr. Daniels genuinely trying to do the right thing, or was this all just courtroom PR? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this case as jaw-dropping as we did, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next twist episode of Truth Court. We break down the drama, so you don't have to. Education.
Hi guys, it's Vonda Bailey, and I'm coming to you as the lawyer this time. We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I want to go over what you all watched in the episode of the Daniels case. So, the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on